Hello, my name is Vijaya Venkatramani, and I'm a professor of management and organizations at the Smith School of Business at the University of Maryland.
Hi, I'm Relly Derfler-Rosen, and I'm an associate professor of management and organization at the Smith School of Business. We have been teaching negotiations together for 10 years, and we're excited to talk to you about this new negotiation certificate program.
We negotiate every day. We negotiate our job offers, our job assignments, our promotions. We are part of a team that negotiates a merger or acquisition or a deal for a large-scale agreement with a supplier. We negotiate in our personal lives, buying or selling a house or a car. And of course, we negotiate all the time with our friends and partners, and even with our kids, although that's a tough one.
Oh, definitely.
In fact, often at work, in our interpersonal interactions with others, we negotiate without even realizing that we're negotiating. Unfortunately, though, most people see negotiation skills as an innate ability, something that only some people are good and comfortable at, therefore resulting in many of us feeling inadequate, uncomfortable, and even anxious when faced with a negotiation. Even those of us who feel comfortable and are experienced negotiators rarely receive any constructive feedback on whether their negotiating skills are effective, how they would compare to other negotiators, or how their negotiation partners perceive them once the negotiation ends, hopefully with a positive deal.
In this negotiation certificate program, we strive to provide you with strong fundamentals to enhance your skills as negotiators, so you can approach any negotiation situation with confidence. We bust the myth that negotiating effectively is an innate ability, and instead bring you the science behind the negotiation success. Using cutting-edge research on negotiation combined with practical tools and techniques, our course will provide you with a conceptual framework that can be applied to most negotiation situations. This is an extremely interactive classroom where you will take part in multiple business negotiation simulations with different partners, be observed, and receive immediate feedback, both from us as well as from your negotiation partners, on how you performed in the negotiation, what strategies and techniques were effective, and what you could have done differently, all in a psychologically safe and fun environment. This course is not a course on communication or selling skills. Rather, it provides a well-rounded set of quantitative as well as qualitative skills required to be an effective negotiator. This is also not a course where we teach you to win at all costs. Our focus is to provide tips and strategies to create a situation in which not only you're happy with the negotiation outcome, but your partner is also satisfied with the outcome and wants to negotiate with you again in the future. This is an invaluable skill in the dynamic business world in which reputation builds quickly and is important to maintain.
So, we hope you'll join us for this unique opportunity to accelerate your career by enhancing your negotiation skills, approaching any negotiation situation with confidence, and in the process, building strong connections with each other.